What we see in education these days is a huge decline in mental health. As part of this post-pandemic era, there's students, young people who've been impacted, affected in so many ways, both through personal experiences, but also just through having that period of time when they were not able to socially interact. My first impressions of Lego Serious Play was in a previous organisation, and I was blown away by the very fast impact that it had, where students, in an incredibly short space of time, they were able to communicate on quite a deep level in some cases.
Like, I haven't stopped speaking about it to everyone in the office since I've gotten back, and it's been 10-15 minutes so far. It's such a creative way to talk about what's going on in your mind. It's crazy, but it's good crazy. So yeah, I would highly recommend it.
I was first introduced to Lego Serious Play by Rebecca Westgate. I initially thought that it seemed a bit silly. I was quite sceptical, but as the session went on, it was transformative, to be honest. What I really like about it is that it's grounded in science. We know that positive psychology is a science, it's evidence, it's proven. Being able to communicate difficult things that you're struggling with in a way that takes them out of your mind and puts them in front of you in a way that perhaps you wouldn't have spoken about it before. It feels very safe. You're talking about a model, you're not talking necessarily about the person, and that really creates safe boundaries for students, staff, whoever it is that you're doing this with, so I very much recommend this.
I liked how simple it was to sort of take all of the emotions running through your head, where it can kind of feel like it's the end of the world and it's so difficult to sort through all those problems, to then be able to portray them in a simple piece of Lego on the table in front of you. It kind of makes these problems feel like they are controllable and it's not the end of the world.
I feel that right here, right now, we've got the right people, the right time, the right place to become leaders within this context of Lego Serious Play and positive psychology. And it's just so tangible, it's so accessible to everyone.